What is the fastest way to transport freight? There are many factors to consider when choosing a mode for freight shipments: capacity, route, reliability, and price, to name a few. But another consideration that's vital in many scenarios is determining the fastest way to transport freight. The most obvious factor in deciding what the fastest way to transport freight is the average speed. So let's take a look at the average speeds of the four major transport modes. Container ships on average go about 14.2 nautical miles per hour, equivalent to just over 16 miles per hour on land. A typical freight train in the US averages around 25 miles per hour. Semi-trucks in America are probably the easiest to guess in terms of speed, as they're bound by speed limits. A truck on a typical interstate journey averages between 50 and 60 miles per hour. Now here is where the average speed jumps rather considerably. Jet planes average somewhere in the neighborhood of 560 miles per hour. If you were paying attention to the previous numbers, that's roughly 10 times the speed of trucks and 35 times that of a container ship. Of course, there are other factors that influence how long a delivery actually takes beyond pure speed. So let's explore average freight delivery times. Expedited freight with domestic, truck, or air, 1 to 3 days. Expedited freight international air, 1 to 3 days. Standard freight domestic truck, 5 days. Standard freight domestic intermodal, 6 to 8 days. Standard freight international air, 5 to 10 days. Standard freight international ocean, China to the west coast of the US, 20 to 30 days. Standard freight international ocean, China to the east coast of the US, 30 to 45 days. There are a couple of key notes to consider. When looking at expedited shipping domestically in the US, truckload is often just as fast as air, yet less expensive. And a standard shipment on some intermodal lanes may be just as fast as truckload, so it's worth comparing those rates as well, even if speed is a factor. Additionally, those aforementioned market factors can throw any of these averages into flux, with potentially major impacts on delivery times. So in a vacuum, the fastest way to transport freight is via air cargo. And if you need to get a load delivered as quickly as possible, choose an expedited option. Need help deciding which freight transport mode is best for your business? At Intech Freight and Logistics, we can help optimize your shipping strategy, considering speed, reliability, and of course, cost. Give us a call at 317-208-5565 or visit our website www.intechfreight-logistics.com and hit the Request a Quote button. And we'll be happy to get back to you to discuss your unique needs. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.